Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to switch to the function keys on your Pop Keys Logitech keyboard. So you can see here I have the function keys at the top, and at the top they have these images which are like quick actions, and underneath there is F1, F2, F3, F4, etc. and so on. So you can set all of them to instead of them being the default action performed, for example, is unmute. So when I click on the F6 button just once, then it'll either mute or unmute. And when I press on Fn and F6 at the same time, then it'll perform the system action that's assigned to F6 key. So for example, for F12 in browsers it will be inspect, but if I do it without the Fn key, then in this case it'll be turning the volume up. But if I want to switch it over, so the primary action will be the F1, F2, F3, etc. And the secondary action, so after holding down on Fn, will be the ones that have the symbols on it. So to switch between them, go to settings, then you can go to use F1, F2, etc. keys as standard function keys. Now it'll work this way. But you can also, to switch this setting, you can just hold down on Fn and escape at the same time. You can see I didn't click on anything, I just pressed on my keyboard on Fn escape and it just switches it. And that's basically it. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.